Hey guys, I'm here with Adrian, my cameraman, and we just filmed a bunch of videos and he's like, it's my turn, I need to get adjusted, so we're actually gonna film it.
Well, I just held a camera like this for like 90 minutes. My upper back is like really tight. I need my neck adjusted. My foot also kind of hurts a little bit. I just need a full treatment. It's the Dr. Shelly special, please.
The Dr. Shelly special.
Yeah.
All right, assume the position. You ready?
Yeah.
I don't remember the last time I adjusted.
No, it's been a long time.
And we haven't filmed a video of you getting adjusted in
Years.
like, well, I think over a year.
Left side, just a little bit lower where you're pushing. Kind of hurt.
There, okay. You ready?
Yeah.
You got all the sound effects.
I know. That's good stuff, right?
Okay, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm too far up on the table. Let's get that last one if you want to try it again.
Hold on, let me put this there. Hold it.
Yep,
There we go.
that was it.
Okay, turn over for me.
Okay. Oh, it's already feeling better.
Good.
Amazing. You got this. I believe in you.
Okay.
Whoa.
Not too bad.
No, I think I might have done that already this morning.
My ears are bleeding.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Did that pop?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't feel over here.
Yeah.
I'm just sore. Oh, God. Yeah. Oh,
Good.
holy shit.
This video is not about me talking, it's about all of the sounds
Oh,
that
yeah,
you can
it's
make.
all about me, huh? And women have a higher tolerance for pain, I think. That's a fact, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'd hope so.
I'm not going to claim to be as tough as these women I get jerked around all the time.
Putting all the way up the table.
That left one just really, that came out.
It like,
Yeah.
I'm out of breath.
Did you already do everything? That's so fast.
Can I do your arms too?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. It's because I don't have to explain it all to you. You've seen me do this a million times.
Oh, okay.
Rapid adjustment.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Ooh. I think also when you adjust somebody a lot, I kind of like know like what works on you.
Yeah.
What's this side? Is your arm relaxed?
I think so.
Do you want to do this one?
What's that one?
What do you mean? I've done this one before.
Yeah.
Keep her relaxed.
Oh, there she went.
Keep your chest up really tall. There you go.
That one just feels a lot more mobile.
Okay, so stand up.
Okay.
And
Oh yeah, you gotta
put your hands on top of your head. And look down this way. Alright, put your hands on top of my hands. Armpits comfortable?
Sure.
Alright, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Good. Look up. Oh, we got it.
Yeah.
How you doing?
That was good.
Good.
Yeah. All right, guys, that was awesome. Feels really good. I can definitely film some more videos now. It's gonna be fantastic. Thanks.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.